Miyazaki House by Suzuko Yamada Architects in Japan. A park with abundant greenery stretches on a hill facing south overlooking the city. The house for a family of 4 stands on a triangular site cropped off at the edge of the park. The main volume is a 1-story building with limited height, which allows for the park ground to continue onto the roof of the house as a garden. In the large studio, furniture, and household items like chairs, desks, shelves, and curtains, along with fixtures like stairs, columns, partitions, doors, and walls, all stand in their designated spots independently from each other. Benches, lampposts, tall trees, and shrubs scattered throughout the park are also visible through the windows. The seemingly random arrangement of the pillars aligns with the 4 corners of the children's room, which will be built on the rooftop in the future. 2 of the 3 staircases lead up to the children's future hut, which now serves as a little hideout under the roof window. Each piece of furniture and household item has its individuality. Likewise, each pillar and staircase have its color and shape, as if it has a will of its own. Rather than existing, one might say that they are being. Instead of laying out a framework that determines the lifestyle, we create architecture as a collection of landmarks that serve as a base for the residents' lives. The colors and shapes that stand out from each other are blended through daily life. Each family member lives with the help of the scattered landmarks, linking them together. As one walks, stops, and leans against them, a wave of colors and shapes arises, and their respective home emerges.